in a country where some say there are very bad things happening, they actually aren't. Get this, the South African farmers are feeling very optimistic about doing business in the country. They say what is really boosting this optimism are the favorable agricultural conditions, better rains that have helped them to get higher yields, but also excellent exports. The exports already for the first 3 quarters of 2025, they are up by 10%. At around 11.7 billion US dollars. Better functioning of the ports, but also the vaccine that is yet to be rolled out in the livestock industry. And when they look ahead to 2026, they see that also the continuation of rainfall under the La Nina weather phenomenon will support the production conditions. So optimism in the South African farming sector, not bad things at all.